Hello everyone. Today I'm Khushi Goswami. Today's my topic is Shakespeare's concept of tragedy. These are my personal information. Table of content. Introduction of tragedy. The word tragedy comes from the Greek word tragedia, which means a formal play or a poem with a sad ending. A tragedy is a genre of a drama focused on human suffering. The drama typically consists of human flaw or weakness in one of the work's central characters, which then triggers a devastating event for that character's orbit. Aristotle was the first fellow who defined the tragedy in his work Poetics. According to him, tragedy is an imitation of an action that is a serious complaint and of a certain magnitude in the language embellished with each kind of artistic ornaments. The several kinds being found in separate parts of the play, in the in the form of an action, not of narrative, through the pity and fear affecting the proper propagation of these emotions. These are the six elements of the classical tragedy. As we all know, William Shakespeare's concept of tragedy. Shakespeare tragedy represents the dramatic expression of human suffering and internal conflict, like ambition, love, betrayal, and the consequence of moral choice are central themes. It often involves the fall of tragic hero and combined with the emotional catharsis for the audience. Expand the tragedy with complex characters, supernatural elements, and unpredictable outcomes. These are the elements of Shakespeare's tragedy. Tragic hero with a fatal flaw, moral conflict, catharsis, conflict between good and evil, the melodramatic elements, reversal of fortune, supernatural element, inevitable downfall, the tragic quest, no poetic justice, character and destiny, and certainty at the end. Tragic hero's journey. Noble beginnings. The hero often start with great promise or power, as we all know in the Macbeth, how Macbeth comes as the celebrate warriors. Also, hamartia, a tragic flaw. Hamartia is the central idea of the Shakespeare concept of tragedy, a weakness that leads to poor decision. Example in Othello's jealousy or King Lear's vanity. Reversal of fortune, a turning point where the hero's fortune takes a downturn. Recognition, the heroes realize their mistakes, but too late to change their fate. And catastrophe ends in death or running, evoke catharsis. Supernatural elements. Shakespeare uses supernatural elements to heighten drama and implied facts power. In Macbeth, which is prophecies drew Macbeth's ambition. And in the Hamlet, the ghost of King Hamlet sets the revenge plot into motion. Role of chance and fate. Events often alter the course of the plot. It's highlighting the unpredictability of life. Fate and fortune play a significant role through the hero's choices remain pivot. In example, Romeo's failure to receive the Farrier's letter leads to the double tragedy in Romeo and Juliet. Catharsis is a critical element of Shakespeare's tragedy. It's aligning with the Aristotle's concept from classical tragedy. It refers to the emotional release or purification experienced by the audience as they watch the downfall of the tragic hero. Through feelings or of pity and fear, the audience is lead to a deeper emotional or moral clarity. Example like the audience feels for King Lear as he realized his mistake too late. Language and dramatic technique. Shakespeare uses language to deepen emotional impact and reveal characters. Soliloquy, also a character to express their inner conflict. Hamlet's to be or not to be, imagery and symbolism. Blood in Macbeth, it symbolized guilt and consequence. Darkness in tragedy, it reflects evil and uncertainty. Dramatic irony enhance tension. Like the audience knows Decima's innocence in Othello. Themes in Shakespearean tragedy, ambition and power. It explored in Macbeth, where ambition drives the protagonist to murder and reign. Love and sacrifice. Central to the Romeo and Juliet, where love leads to the tragic consequences, jealousy and trust. In Othello, demonstrates how jealousy undermines trust and destroys lives. Family and betrayal. King Lear examines betrayals within a family lead to a chaos and redemption. Fate and free will. Julius Caesar and Hamlet question the extent to which fate or choice shapes destiny. These are the some example of Shakespeare tragedy. Conclusion. In conclusion, Shakespeare tragedy gives impact to literature and drama in influencing the modern ways of storytelling and theater. His works are being stayed to this day and remain popular in modern theaters. His tragedy remains timeless for exploring complex characters, moral dilemmas, and flaws in human beings. Shakespeare's tragedy are not only focused on human suffering but also on a general humanity. Thus, they are relevant to all of humanity. These are my references. Thank you. If anybody has any question, you can ask.
My question is, how do supernatural elements contribute to Shakespearean tragedy?
Yes, supernatural elements in tragedy, in Macbeth, we see three, which is prophecy. It leads to hero's action to from downfall, and it is leads a hero to his downfall. Next.
Kushit, this is my question. What is the tragic flaw hamartia in Shakespearean tragedy and why it is important?
As I mentioned in my presentation, hamartia is a central idea of Shakespeare of the tragedy because it is leads hero's downfall, and it is important because it trivial to feel audience tension and added tension in the drama. Thank you.